Decimal system is extremely useful in arithmetic, easy to understand and universal acceptance. This is required in everyday life. All about decimal system in this video. Very warm welcome to all the viewers at Raj Maths channel. Now a decimal number like this has two parts. Before this decimal, it is an integral part. After decimal, it is called decimal part or fraction part. And this point is called decimal. This is another decimal number. We read as 216 point or decimal 729. In expanded form, 200, 110, 6 ones plus 7 tenths plus 2 hundredths and 9 thousandths. Now this place value of 7 is 7 by 10. Place value of 2 is 2 by 100. And place value of 9 is 9 by 1000. Now in a fraction, when denominators are multiples of 10, 3 by 10 we write as 0.3. 7 by 100 we write as 0.07. After 1 there are 2 zeros, so after decimal there are 2 digits. There was only 1 digit here, we put additional 0 to make 2 digit after decimal. 5341 by 1000 is 5.341. Conversion of decimals into fractions. 3.7 is written as 37 by 10. We remove the decimal, put 1 in place of decimal, and number of 0 will depend on number of digits after decimal point. 1.47 is 147 by 100 and 0.01 is 1 by 100. 2 digits after decimal and 1 and 2 zeros here. Arranging decimal numbers in ascending order or descending order as the case may be. So these are 4 numbers. You can see integral part is same, it is 4, and after decimal there are 2 digits after decimals in all the numbers. Now we know that this is 10th place rather, and this is 100th place. So this digit is bigger than this digit. So we arrange them like this. In the 10th place, the digit is having the minimum value is put in the first, and similarly the 10th digit is increasing, value is increasing over here, as you can see and understand yourself. Now decimals can be unlike decimals and like decimals. If the number of digits after decimal is same, number of digits are same in all the numbers, then they are like, otherwise they are unlike. Now here 1 digit after decimal, 2 digits after decimal, and here 3 digits after decimal. So these are unlike decimals. We make them like decimals by using 0. We put 2 0 with this, we put 1 0 here. Putting 0 does not change their value as such. Now addition of decimals, 3 numbers are here. We can write them in this way, just have a look. Decimals should be in the same line. Once we have put 19.2, then put decimal over here, write 4, 5 and integral part here. Point here 7 8 to an integral part here. You can also say that in ones place you write the ones, and in tenths place you write the tenths. In initial stages we can put zeros here, make them like decimals, and we have put two decimals here, one here and one here, one here, just to understand and do it easily in the beginning. Subsequently we can do in this way. Subtraction of decimals is exactly the same way as without decimals. Just subtract as we do without decimal and put the decimal point here. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. See, 8 into 10 is 80, 7 into 100 is 700, and 9 into 1000 is 9000. There are 3 zeros after 1, and here we add 3 zeros after the digit. If it is a decimal number 5.63, we multiply by 10 and the decimal shifts to one digit in the right, because there is 1 zero after 10, after 1. If when you multiply by 1000, the decimal is to shift 3 digits to the right. Now there are 2 digits here, so one more digit we have to add here, 0, to make it 3 digits after decimal. Multiplication of decimal numbers. We multiply as if there were no decimals. Just multiply and add. After we have added, now we count the decimal places in the given numbers. There is one decimal place here, there is one digit here after decimal, one digit here after decimal. So 2 digits in all. So we put 1, 2, after 2 digits we put decimal here. Another example here, 6.42 multiplied by 0.15. We multiply them as if there were no decimals and add it. Now count the decimals after, now the digits after decimals. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We put the decimal here. In the division, this is to be 5.44 is to be divided by 8. Now we have to take 2 digits here, 5 and 4. Now as soon as we take any digit after decimal, we have to put decimal point here. So 8 6 are 48. We do the usual division process after this. Now 156.25 divided by 1.5. In the denominator we have a decimal number, so we have to eliminate this decimal part. We multiply by suitable multiple of 10. We multiply by 10 here and we get 15, and here we have multiplied by 10, we have got this. Now we divide by 15. As usual we divide. Only thing to note is that when we take one digit after decimal, when we take 2 here, we have to put decimal here. That's the difference. And you can also continue, the remainder is 10 here. You can continue division by adding, putting 0 here, and then it will go 6 times and put 6 over here. So we can divide to number of places as desired. This is all about the decimal system at the moment. You practice the sums from books and get conversant with decimal system. Thank you very much for watching this video.